Hi everyone, welcome back. If you do not know, my name is Devon. Here on my channel I cover all things beauty. That includes makeup, fragrance, and designing here and there. If you think that is something you'll be interested in, then I hope you stay and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you're notified every week when I upload. And in today's Vlogmas video, I am so excited to be talking to you guys about the brand new collection from Native. This is the Dunkin collab, you guys. I'm so excited. I am so excited to start smelling these because I have not smelled these yet. So I wanted to wait and smell them with you guys. So if you are interested and want to hear my thoughts and first impressions on this brand new Native collection, then just keep watching. All right, you guys. So the moment I seen Native had two new collections, okay, not just one, they have two new collections. I jumped on it and immediately ordered from their site. Now at the time when I ordered, I got like 30% off. So I felt like that was justified for me to buy all of these body washes. In today's video, I'm only going to be talking about the Dunkin one, but stay tuned for my video. Probably tomorrow, I will be talking about Aritos. I'm not sure how this is pronounced, okay? But y'all know this, like Mexican drink. We'll talk about this one tomorrow. But all right, you guys, so I'm a Starbucks girly at heart through and through, okay? I buy Starbucks cups. I have been for about 3 or 4 years now. Starbucks is right down the street from my house, literally like 5 minutes. It's my go-to drinks. I love Starbucks, okay? But lately, since my best friend has been down here, we have been going to Dunkin, and Dunkin is not close to us. Dunkin is probably like 25 minutes from me. So we will drive to Dunkin and we will get our little drinks, and y'all, them Dunkin drinks have been hitting. Them coffees have been hitting. I will pop a few of my favorite coffee drinks on the screen just in case any of you guys are interested. But y'all, I'm all for like a good foodie collab, period. And then y'all seen the crumble and Dove is coming out. I cannot wait for that. Like, I love crumble. Like, I'm not a crumble hater like a lot of y'all are. I'm sorry. But anyways, we are here to talk about the Dunkin and Native collab. It is 4 different fragrances. We're gonna go over all 4 of them. I did order from the Native site, like I said, and they do come in a box, and then they come with like this like tape thing over it. Now I did take majority of all the little tape pieces off just so it'll be easier and I won't be struggling to take them off. But this is how they all came packaged. So like I said, I have not smelled any of them. I have kind of been holding out. Some of these are like my faves. So as far as like the actual donut. So this first one we're gonna go ahead and talk about is strawberry frosted, and I have been a strawberry frosted Dunkin girl for years, since I was a kid. Like, there was a Dunkin right down the street from my house when I was younger. My mom and my uncle, they would go get me hot chocolate and a pink frosted donut all the time. Like, every weekend I was obsessed, and my kids both really love the pink frosted donuts. Now this particular one has the sprinkles on it, so I can go either way, but I'm definitely a pink frosted donut type of girl. Dunkin', I know everybody doesn't really love Dunkin' Donuts, like the actual donuts, but I really enjoy them, so I was here for this. So this is the strawberry frosted one, and we're gonna go ahead and see if she is really a strawberry frosted. Now I have faith in Native because Native really does collabs and, you know, different types of scents really, really nicely. So here's to hoping that they smell good and I didn't waste my money. I feel like it's giving strawberry, right? It's kind of giving strawberry frosting. So it's not giving so much a strawberry like frosted donut, like the actual donut, but it's definitely giving like a strawberry glaze. It's a little light, but it does smell really nice. So yeah, I don't know why I was thinking that this would be like the strawberry actual like donut, like it would be more like donut doughy cakey like with the frosting, but it does say strawberry frosted, so that's probably, you know, just the frosting, but it's not a bad scent at all. I like this one, and it smells way better than the was it the Dove sugar cookie, pink sugar cookie, or whatever that was? That one was garbage. This one actually smells way better than that. So yeah, This one smells nice. It does smell like a strawberry frosting like glaze, so I like that. Now another donut that I really enjoy is a good Boston cream. Now I am not a fan of actual like the chocolate frosting, but if I can, you know, I'll either scrape the frosting off or I'll just get, you know, the one with the yellow in the middle. It's just a plain, I forgot what it's called. I feel like it's called something else, but anyways, this is the Boston cream. So let's go ahead and smell her. This one smells good. Ooh, this one smells yummy. I do kind of get that, like, I get a little bit more of a donut note in here, as well as like that creamy note from the inside, and somehow it's like a little hint of like chocolate. So it's really giving what it's giving. Like, it's giving. Now, I don't know if these scents are going to seem a little too light for a lot of people, but I really enjoy them. I think they'll be like a little, you'll get the gist of it more when you're in the actual shower. But yeah, this one smells good. I'm going to rank all these at the end of the video as well. All right, this next one is blueberry cobbler, and I've never had this. I'm not really a big jelly fan, like in the inside of my donut. I don't really love that. So I don't think I've ever had this, but I do like the scent of blueberry. So, okay. You get like that hint of blueberry in here. And I'm also getting a little bit of cakiness in this one as well. Not a lot, but I get like a hint of like donut. Wow, you guys. If you like blueberry, you will like this. And then the very last one we have is vanilla sprinkles. And this is one of my baby girl's favorites as well. She loves sprinkles and she loves vanilla icing. So, yeah. I don't know if I'm getting vanilla sprinkles. I'm getting more something fruity, not so much vanilla. So I'm not getting like the cakiness that I was getting in a couple of the other ones, as well as I don't really get vanilla icing. It's giving more like fruity, like maybe just the sprinkles. I'm a little disappointed in this one. It's not a bad scent at all. Like, it still smells really good, but I feel like they could have did better. They should have put more vanilla in here, because I'm not getting any type of vanilla. All right, you guys. So yeah, those are all like my first impression thoughts. Now I'm going to go ahead and rank these for you. All right, so coming in at number 4 is going to be the vanilla sprinkle. And it's going to be that because it just is not giving vanilla. It's giving fruity sprinkles. Like, I'm getting more of the like fruity sprinkles than anything. I'm not getting vanilla, so this is going to be number 4. Number 3 is going to be the blueberry cobbler, and it's not because it's a bad scent. It's a really nice scent. It's just I'm not a big fan of blueberry like the scent. It's okay, it's not bad. It does still smell really yummy, but this, you know, is just 3rd place for me. Coming in at number 3 is actually going to be the strawberry frosted. And surprisingly, I thought this was going to be the one that I liked the most, but it's just giving strawberry frosting. So it is giving strawberry. It's definitely giving frosting. It's just they're kind of missing like the donut note in here. So that's the only reason why it's at number 2, but still amazing. I cannot wait to use this one. And then obviously coming in at number 1 is going to be the Boston cream. You guys, this one is absolutely delicious, yummy, and I am so excited to be using these. I cannot wait to try these out in the shower and let you guys know what I think. I think I'm going to go ahead and use one after I'm done filming. I'm going to clean and then shower, so I'm probably going to use one of these today. I might just use the pink frosting one though. But yeah, you guys, I'm excited. Now I want to know, did any of you guys see the native stuff and did you pick it up? I don't know if it's going to be in like Target or Walmart, anything like that. It hasn't said, but I will have a link below where you can go to the native site. And usually if you sign up, if it's your first time buying or just use a different email, you'll get a coupon for a percentage off anyway. And usually they kind of do bundle deals, so you'll get a percentage if you're buying, you know, more than a couple. So yeah, I love that, and I feel like that was money well spent for this collection, and I'm so excited to be using them. So yeah guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again tomorrow for another Vlogmas day. Bye guys.